24 hours. No cash, no cards, no comfort zone. Just me and the grin draw. Brutal and eye-opening. No caffeine boost. No luxury shortcuts. Just pressure, decisions, and survival. Every skipped purchase, every silent moment in the vast wilderness of thoughts echoed the same. You are not alone. There's a voice inside you that's been ignored. It's time to listen. The whispers turned into roars. Clarity, gratitude, focus. I realized wealth isn't just money. It's a mindset. You can choose to be wealthy in knowledge, in kindness, in peace. True wealth is a life well lived, not just a bank balance. It's the sum of your choices, big and small. In the tapestry of life, each decision is a thread. Woven together, they form the fabric of your destiny. I chose discipline over comfort, purpose over fleeting pleasures. Every sunrise is a new opportunity to choose. Choose to learn, choose to grow, choose to leave your mark on the world. Most people chase dollars, but if you master the struggle, you attract abundance. The universe has a way of rewarding those who dare to dream and work tirelessly. It's not about how much you spend. It's about how much you grow. Growth begins where spending ends. The path to financial freedom starts with a single step. Follow at Wealth World because wealth isn't just what you see, it's what you believe. And if you believe, you can achieve. So what will you do today to become financially free? Will you follow at Wealth World for more tips? Because remember, your mind is your first wealth. If you can conquer your thoughts, you can conquer your finances. If you're ready to level up financially and mentally, this is your sign. Let's go.